Hello to my card making friends. This is Tricia Morris at Club Scrap and you're looking at our beautiful Reef Card Kit. Your kit comes with these 2 original prints and an additional 9 sheets of cover weight stock. We've got a gold, 2 yellow, 1 white, 2 of this seafoam green, and 2 slate. We make finishing your cards easy here at Club Scrap. We give you 2 sheets of carefully mapped out cut-aparts. You'll have enough sentiments for the outside and inside of a dozen cards. We help you embellish your cards as well. In this kit, we've got 3 different colors of ribbon that coordinate. Check out this pretty grosgrain that has silver in it. We have a 3/8 inch wide taffeta and 2 yards of this 1/4 inch organza. Enhance your cards with one of these sweet shell appliques. And we have 4 sets of laser cut shells and a generous scoop of these textured sequins. Once you finish making all 12 cards, we provide you with those envelopes right in the box so you can put the cards in the mail right away. A lot of crafters are really overwhelmed by their stash of materials. It's not like that at Club Scrap. Every kit comes with detailed trimming and assembly instructions and a video workshop. Once you're finished making the cards, there will be nothing left to store and organize. The card structures we're featuring this month include this fun little clam style card. It's got a sentiment on the inside as well. We'll make 4 of these beautiful stack, cut, and shuffle cards. And finally, a beautifully embellished 5x7 single fold card. There's never been a better time to be a Club Scrap member. Pick up your Reef Card Kit today and let's get crafting.